welcome back to my channel. I'm making dinner, guys, so I want you all to stay tuned. So here, my beautiful, let's cook with me. Here I have some peas in water, some flour for the chicken. Added to the flour is a 1/4 teaspoon baking powder to make it a little lighter, and I will also add some powder season, a can of coconut milk. I will only use half of the coconut milk, 1 pepper thyme scallion, chicken that is already seasoned and marinated, and egg wash for the chicken, oil, cornbread, and collard greens. So let's go over to the stove, guys. Now I will add the oil and mid-heat add the veggies. Garlic, now I will go ahead and add the meat. Look at all this, guys, so beautiful. So now I will go ahead and add some greens on top, guys. This might seem like a lot, guys, but it will shrink down to just about like nothing. So the more the better. Let's take another stir, guys. It's getting there beautifully, guys. If you are cooking for a big family, make sure you have enough greens, because like you can see, it shrinks right down. So we are still on mid-heat, guys. So now that I'm getting ready to add the chicken stock, guys, you can now reduce your heat from mid to low. Here we go, guys. A tablespoon garlic powder, a tablespoon total season, 2 tablespoons sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, or you can use the red pepper, guys. I prefer to just add a small amount of black pepper to mine. Tablespoon apple cider vinegar. This is going to be so delicious, guys. And a teaspoon of bouillon. This is going to be so delicious, guys. Now let's cover and cook for 45 minutes. Bring peas and water to a boil. Now I will add the coconut milk. And this is on high heat. Now I will add scallion, thyme, and pepper to the coconut milk. I will cook for 30 minutes before adding the rice. Continue to boil and low heat. Here I'm adding 2 cups of rice. I already washed the rice, guys. Just use your fork to lift the rice lightly from the bottom half. This is mid-heat, guys. As soon as it starts to boil, I will turn it down to low. Now my lovies, I will add oil to the pan. We are going to deep fry, guys. Deep fry this chicken. Turn your heat on high. Now my lovelies, beat egg. And if you want your chicken to be spicy, guys, you can add a pepper to the egg wash. But I think I will just go mild for today. Lightly add powder seasoning to your flour because the chicken is already seasoned. We just want to add more flavor to the flour. Small amount of onion powder, small amount of garlic. Now combine. Make sure everything is well incorporated, guys. Now I will dip the chicken into the wash. And then to the flour. You can use a hand to press it down a little bit, guys. Because I will shake off the excess from the chicken. So here we go, guys. Now let's go over to the stove, guys. So here we go, guys. Let's dip. Now add to a large bowl 1 cup yellow cornmeal, 1 cup flour, baking powder. Combine all the dry ingredients, salt, sugar, now I will set this aside and combine the wet ingredients. Buttermilk, so rich, guys. Butter, and 1 egg. So let's combine. Now I will add to the dry ingredients. So I will now add this to the pan. There are plenty to scrape, guys, so let's get everything out. So now we will go over to the oven. Now let's bake for 18 to 20 minutes. Here we go, guys. Continue to let rice steam and low heat. It's now 18 minutes, guys, but it still needs some more time for cooking. Also beautiful, crispy and beautiful, guys. I will now remove the chicken from the pan, guys. This is what you want your chicken to be looking like, guys. All golden and beautiful. All golden, crispy and beautiful, guys. Look at this, guys. All so beautiful. It's all a yum, guys. Yum. All so yummy. So here we go, guys. Let's check and see. Here we go, guys. Beautifully done. The greens are ready, guys. Beautiful, guys. All this juice, guys, rich and beautiful.